We're all in this together. Once we know that we are, we're all stars and we see that we're all in this together. And it shows when we stand hand in hand, make our dreams come true. As a theater arts teacher and choir and musical director, I am always looking for ways to increase participation among my ensembles while also giving them opportunities to express themselves while expanding on their learning. I believe that academic teaming is the perfect learning model for my needs. According to the Learning Sciences International website, academic teaming is a daily instructional process where students collaborate, peer coach, and peer teach while engaged in rigorous standards-based tasks. The benefits of academic teaming include improving academic achievement, social and emotional learning, and promoting a sense of community among students. Practical applications for theater include academic teaming for costume design, lighting, sets, makeup, and choreography, to name a few. By setting guidelines and creating positive protocol, teachers can ensure that their students succeed both individually and together. Together, 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 everyone.